working with PS3 Homebrew development and have HEN files for system modification. These enable running custom software on PlayStation 3 systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these PS3 Homebrew Enabler files responsibly. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens HEN files that Windows rejects outright, my recommendation below. A .HEN file is a critical component used in the PlayStation 3 modding scene. It stands for Homebrew Enabler and is used to apply a temporary patch to the system's firmware, allowing users to run unsigned code, homebrew applications, and game backups on non-jailbreakable PS3 consoles. The .HEN file is a payload, a small piece of executable code packaged in a binary format. It's designed to exploit a vulnerability in the PS3 system software. Its structure is highly specific to the target firmware version, containing machine code that modifies system memory to bypass security checks upon execution. This HEN file is handled by the industry standard tool PS3 HEN from PS3 Homebrew community. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows marks these files as important, so even viewing them requires elevated permissions. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the HEN file and choose Open With. Use PS3 HEN as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If the HEN file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We're facing a complicated HEN error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, installing on PS3. Transfer HEN files to your PS3 via USB drive following procedures specific to your firmware version and the HEN release. Use the PS3 system browser or Homebrew installer to apply the HEN. Each HEN release typically includes detailed installation instructions specific to the supported firmware versions and console models. Next, loading through browser. Some HEN implementations load through the PS3's web browser by visiting specific URLs or loading local HTML files. Navigate to the loader page and trigger the exploit chain. The HEN payload activates, enabling Homebrew functionality. This method requires reapplication after each system restart depending on HEN persistence. Finally, understanding legal implications. Using HEN files modifies your PS3's intended functionality, which may void warranties and violate Sony's terms of service. Use only on systems you own and only for legitimate purposes, like homebrew development, legal backups, or accessibility modifications. Never use to enable piracy, which is illegal and harmful to the gaming industry. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.